give you 3 scenarios and I want you to think about which phrase fits best. Pause the video and try to answer. Then unpause to check. Your manager asks you to contact a client about a project update. Which phrase would you use? Reach out. I'll reach out to the client this afternoon. Your team is discussing a deadline, but no one has made a final decision yet. How would you describe the situation? Up in the air. The deadline is still up in the air. You want to quickly check your idea with a colleague before presenting it to your boss. What do you say? Run it by? Yes. Can I run this idea by you real quick? Tell me, how did you do? If you got them right, you're already on your way to sounding more natural.